Empress maybe.
Timmy D. Hello.
Huh?
Timmy D.
Yeah, what God.
Yes, Timmy D.
Okay.
Yes, Timmy D.
Yeah, if I am present as him dance home, as a mucha jamba, mucha ndi pasando.
Yes, Timmy D.
Timmy D, me a driving a hood with a ganja tea. Me a roving a bima me a Fiat attack. Boys follow me like a mama bear. Girls follow me like a Twitter them. They know me pretty like a girl on a magazine. Sexy like a lady on a movie screen. Get a youth wanna hear me like Mary J. Forbidden fruits.
Timmy D, Magaiba. Timmy D, Magaiba.
Producer.
Timmy D, yes, producer. The producer was Timmy D. Manager. Yes. Basta. Timmy D, Mnogara obi. Mnogara urua. Timmy D, don't go to them in your sort of life. Mune read him. Kwa Shams Night Club. Nas.
Yeah, one more.
Yeah,
nguva yekupisa kangochani meli ndipe kunoka mugogani ndichichimhanya papitira mokari ndipe kofini ndivaise mochari yavanosimbisa haisi kete ndovafirita kuita kunge mapete handikwate ende handizeze bachirasta we bend them. Your face make me wanna vomit like a black lad. You are sexy man, you look like a chichi man. Styling pattern, soul like a Barbie. Mofesi iwe utorigana Bambi.
Yeah! Empress, yes. Big tune. It's a big tune, it's a big tune. Sister, Sakavenga Ngochani. Jodi ndakanzwa mchimbane zvengochani soka ndofara because inini hangu ininika ndoti pamberi namndara hafarire chi zvekurohwa kumashure zvekudhidhidhidhi atombozvifarira zvekuizvozvo kana bhaibheri rakatuka zvechi handini mairidza ngati makapenga sister makapenga apa tikuzongoshaya yedu rhythm but makajambuka Rastaman. CBD.
I don't know where's a studio.
Rasta. Big up. Yes, Rasta. Yes.
Your face make me wanna vomit like a black lad. You are sister man, you look like a chichi man. Styling pattern, soul like a papi. Mofesi iwe utorikana Bambi. Hona vanu ava mamero. Vanu pe mamsoro semagero. Pafesi pangu mutorikana zero. Ndokuridzira zipero. Avano pe kamete. Kuita sana tete. Hona ana chichi. Kuita sana sisi. Hona ana Jimmy. Kuita sana Jenny. Ndokupfekedza skirt. Ndatimiwa.
Wicked.
Now, why say one
talented sister, talented.
King
talented. Magajamuga. But I read him.
So far.
All the musicians, where do you get your inspiration from?
Like local or international?
Your inspiration. Who
Ladies
inspires
Soul.
you?
Ladies Soul.
Ladies.
That's good.
Thank you so
That's good.
Mama So.
Mama So. Tevera Matsimba. Tevera Matsimba.
Kawan sister. Heavy. Kawan. Asibati nasi tentitese rasta. Kawan. Saka takuitira magetsi manje kamera yedu manje. Takuitira moto. Kuti sizonyatsokutora izvi. Tinoda mutomboro live. Nas. Kawan. Heavy.